are the last presenter of Lesson 5, and the title of our report is Goals Sustainable Development.
Good morning, ma'am. I am first presenter, and I am Ray C. Malutaw, and we gonna tackle the 12 sustainable of development. Like, the first one is no poverty. Ends poverty in all forms. These laws aims to ensure that everyone has access to basic needs like food, shelter, education, and opportunities to earn living. Example, providing livelihood training and small business loans to low-income families so they can earn a stable income. Number 2, zero hunger. Eliminate hunger and ensure food security. It focuses on providing everyone with enough safe and nutritious food and supporting sustainable farming. Number 3, good health and well-being. Ensure healthy lives for all. This includes access to healthcare, reducing disease, supporting mental health, and promoting safety and wellness at all ages. Example, free vaccination program to protect children and adults from disease. Number 4, quality education. Provide inclusive and equality education. It ensures everyone, especially children, has access to learning opportunities, poverty facilities, and skilled teachers. Examples, building public schools in rural areas so all children can study.
Good morning, ma'am. I am the second reporter. My name is Renata Suarez, and here's the number 5 of 12 Sustainable Development. Gender equality. Achieve equality of all genders. This includes ending discriminations, promoting equal opportunities, and protecting women and girls from violence. Example, laws that protect women from workplace discriminations and ensure equal pay for equal work. Number 6, clean water and sanitations. Ensure access to safe water and sanitations. It promotes clean drinking water, proper waste disposal, and hygiene to prevent diseases. Example, installing water filtration system in barangays to provide safe drinking water. 7, affordable and clean energy. Provide reliable, sustainable, and modern energy for all. This goal encourages renewable energy sources like solar, wind, and hydropower to protect the environment. Example, using solar panels in homes or schools to reduce electricity costs and carbon emissions. Decent work and economic growth. Promote jobs that are safe and pay fairly. It focuses on boosting an economy while ensuring workers' rights and opportunities for everyone. Example, creating job fairs that connect unemployed people with companies offering safe and stable jobs.
Good morning, ma'am. I am the last presenter of this group. My name is Carl Frederick Spitono, and let's proceed to number 9. Number 9, industry, innovation, and infrastructure. Build resilient infrastructure and support innovations. This means better roads, buildings, technology, and industries that are environmentally friendly and efficient. The example is building reliable roads and bridges to make transportation easier and boost local business. Number 10, reduce inequalities. Reduce inequality within and among countries. It aims to give everyone equal opportunities regardless of age, gender, income, disability, or background. Example, scholarship for students from low-income families so they can access the same education opportunities. Number 11, sustainable cities and communities. Make cities safe, resilient, and eco-friendly. This includes clean transportation, green spaces, disaster resistance, housing, and reducing pollution. Example, developing bike lanes and public parks to reduce pollution and improve quality of life. Number 12. Responsible consumptions and production. Use resources wisely and reduce waste. It encourages recycling, sustainable manufacturing, and mindful consumer habits to protect natural resources. Example, promoting recycling and banning single-use plastic in stores and schools.
And that's all the 12 Sustainable Development. I hope you learned from it. And that's all. God bless and thank you.